I'm Edmond Araga, Vice President for Manufacturing of Kaya Industrial Corporation. The one who's in charge for building this, manufacturing this e-charging station.
Sir, so what's an e-charging station?
E-charging station is designed for all the electric vehicles that fly in the roads of Bacoor. And it can be used in other areas that are using the e-vehicles. So this one is the alternate usage or alternate form to have their unit charge.
Okay. So how many e-charging stations do we have right now in Cavite?
As of now, we have only 2, but based on our proposal, based on our alignment of schedules, we are putting 5 more out of 7 charging stations that have to be erected.
Location, sir?
Location, Bacoor, Cavite. This is in line with the project of Mayor Strike for the e-strike project of Mayor Strike Revilla.
Okay. Any other places, sir, na you're planning to put it up?
Soon to be places, SM Molino, SM Bacoor, City of Bacoor, City Hall, new and old.
Are you also the one responsible with the e-charging station in different?
Actually, this is the first e-charging station na ilabas. The first charging station was in Meralco, only in the vicinity of Meralco, that using the units of them. So ito naman, since kino-commercialize na namin yung e-trike namin, so we are considering this as a commercial sort of new set of business.
Okay. Why, sir, Cavite?
Well, for one, we are from Bacoor, Cavite. Our company is situated in Mambugfor, Bacoor, Cavite. And nung nagpo-prototyping kami, the concept is here, so we could address the after sales and the maintenance of it accessible sa amin. And at the same time, with the participation of Mayor Strike as permission, binigyan kami ng permission to use it and support the project. So we might as well put up here in Bacoor first.
Are you planning to expand this outside Cavite also?
Well, if some LGUs would entice and invest on the our e-trike, we could put some e-charging stations in their areas.
So how much can we, sir, save from having an e-trike and using
an e-trike? If you are using our e-trike, on an 8 hours charging 60 kilometers run yun ang distance. Now, when computed on an ordinary household, ang nakoconsume niya is around 40 pesos lang. Compared to a gas na 8 hours na travel ng isang tricycle, ang kukonsumin niya is around 200 to 250 in a day. So there's a big difference in cost in terms of cost if you're comparing it on using the gasoline as to electric.
Sir, saan namin kayo pwedeng kontakin in case gusto namin magkaroon ng ganyan?
Our plant right now is located in 179 Mambugfor, Bacoor, Cavite, with number 0464721263. And then you may get in touch with me, look for me, or some of our marketing departments there.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.